What a great nap. Oh no! Bird, what's wrong? My nest fell apart. Oh, that's no. Huh? Did someone call for Flex the Fixer? Huh? Who are you? I just told you, I'm Flex the Fixer. Well, my nest is broken. I see. Don't worry, I can fix it in a jiffy. You can? Yeah. Thank you. Stand back. Bird, what's going on? His name is Flex the Fixer. Done. Take a look. What in the world? You want it fixed, so I fixed it. A bird nest, yeah, but that's a bird house. I'd live in it. Please take it down. Okay, sure. Don't worry, bird. Done. Thank you. You're welcome. All the days work for Flex the Fixer. Oh boy. Oh no! My trash can's broken. I'll fix it. Oh, great.